What's the weather like today in London?
In London today it'll be raining, with a forecast high of 9 and a low of 9 degrees Celsius. Right now it's 9 with rain.
Alexa, what's the weather like today in London?
Currently, in London it's 8 degrees Celsius with showers. Tonight, you can expect rainy weather, with a low of 7 degrees.
Hey Google, will it snow this weekend in London?
No, snow is not expected this weekend in London. The forecast is 14 degrees Celsius and cloudy.
Alexa, will it snow this weekend in London?
In London, it may rain this weekend. There's a 59% chance on Saturday and Sunday. Rain is less likely on Friday.
Hey Google, what's the traffic like on the M25?
There's heavy traffic in M25, Red Hill RH1.
Alexa, what's the traffic like on the M25?
Sorry, I couldn't find a route between your locations.
Hey Google, is Zzz's in London open today?
Yes, ZZ Bankside at Riverside House, Southwark Bridge Road is open now. They close at 11 p.m.
Alexa, is Zzz's open in London today?
Currently, traffic to Zizzy at 15 Cardinal Walk looks a bit slow. The fastest route takes about 1 hour 45 minutes via M3 and A316.
Hey Google, how far is it to the moon?
The moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Alexa, how far away is the moon?
The moon's distance is 239,000 miles, 384,000 kilometers.
Hey Google, how tall is the Eiffel Tower?
300 meters, 324 meters to tip.
Alexa, how tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower's height is 1,063 feet, 324 meters.
Hey Google, when does spring start?
Spring begins on Tuesday the 20th of March 2018 and ends on Thursday the 21st of June 2018 GMT.
Alexa, when does spring start?
The first day of spring in the Northern Hemisphere will be the 20th of March 2018.
Hey Google, when does summer start?
Summer begins on Thursday the 21st of June 2018 and ends on Sunday the 23rd of September 2018 BST.
Alexa, when does summer start?
The first day of summer in the Northern Hemisphere will be the 21st of June 2018.
Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 4:39.
Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 4:39 p.m.
Hey Google, who is the world's tallest man?
Here's a summary from the website GuinnessWorldRecords.com. The tallest man in medical history for whom there is irrefutable evidence is Robert Pershing Wadlow.
Alexa, who is the world's tallest man?
The tallest man is Sultan Casin.
Hey Google, how many cars are there in the world?
According to Wikipedia, the US Publisher Awards estimates that as of 2010 there were 1.015 billion motor vehicles in use in the world.
Alexa, how many cars are there in the world?
As of 2010, there were more than 1 billion motor vehicles in use in the world, excluding off-road vehicles and heavy construction equipment.
Hey Google, how long is the lifespan of a cat?
4 to 5 years.
Alexa, how long is the lifespan of a cat?
This might answer your question. Cats have been known to live up to 30 years.
Hey Google, who invented the first phone?
Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell and Antonio Meucci.
Alexa, who invented the first phone?
Alexander Graham Bell and Antonio Meucci contributed to the invention of telephone.
Hey Google, What was the first smartphone?
On the website uk.businessinsider.com, they say, people didn't start using the term smartphone until 1995, but the first true smartphone actually made its debut 3 years earlier in 1992. It was called the Simon Personal Communicator, and it was created by IBM more than 15 years before Apple released the iPhone.
Alexa, what was the first smartphone?
The earliest smartphone is IBM Simon.
Hey Google, what was the first laptop?
On the website timesofindia.indiatimes.com, they say, it was invented by Osborne Computers. The first portable computer was a success, with sales reaching 10,000 units a month. IBM launched the IBM 5155 portable personal computer in 1984. In 1988, Compaq Computer launched the first laptop PC with VGA graphics, Compaq SLT 286.
Alexa, what was the first laptop? Hey Google, who is the President of the United States?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Hey Google, how tall is he?
He's 1.90 meters tall.
Alexa, who is the President of the United States?
The United States President is Donald Trump.
Alexa, how tall is he?
Donald Trump's height is 6 feet and 2 inches, 188 centimeters.
Hey Google, who is the Prime Minister of England?
Theresa May is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom.
Hey Google, how tall is she?
She's 1.72 meters tall.
Alexa, who is the Prime Minister of England?
England's Prime Minister is Theresa May.
Alexa, how tall is she?
Theresa May's height is 5 feet and 7 inches, 170 centimeters.
Hey Google, where is the Eiffel Tower?
The address for Eiffel Tower is Eiffel Tower, Champ de Mars, 5 Avenue, Anatolie, France, 75007 Paris, France.
Hey Google, who made it?
The Eiffel Tower was designed by Gustave Eiffel, Stephen Sobister, and Emile Nouguier.
Alexa, where is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France. The address is Champ de Mars, Paris, 75007, France.
Alexa, who made it? Hey Google, who is Napoleon?
According to Wikipedia, Napoleon Bonaparte was a French statesman and military leader who rose to prominence during the French Revolution and led several successful campaigns during the French Revolutionary Wars.
Hey Google, how tall was he?
He was 1.69 meters tall.
Alexa, who was Napoleon?
Napoleon Bonaparte, French, Napoleon Bonaparte, the 15th of August 1769, the 5th of May 1821, later known as Emperor Napoleon I, the military and political leader of France whose actions shaped European politics in the early 19th century.
Alexa, how tall was he?
Napoleon I of France was 1.689 meters tall.
Hey Google, do you like Android?
I'm an Android fan, but I might be biased.
Hey Google, when was it released?
Android's initial release date is September the 23rd, 2008.
Alexa, do you like Android?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Alexa, when was it released?
It is a 1986 horror novel by American author Stephen King. It was his 22nd book and 18th novel written under his own name.
Hey Google, Play On and On by Cartoon on Spotify.
Alright, On and On from Spotify. Playing on Felix's speaker.
Alexa, play On and On by Cartoon on Spotify.
I can't find On and On by Cartoon on Spotify.
Hey Google, what's the news?
Here's the latest news.
Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing.
Hey Google, when's the next England rugby game?
England's next match is tomorrow at 4:45 p.m, where they will play France.
Alexa, when's the next England rugby game?
England will play tomorrow at 4:45 p.m. away against France.
Hey Google, when's the next England football match?
England's next match is on the 23rd of March at 7:45 p.m, when they will play the Netherlands.
Alexa, when's the next England football match?
England will play in the international friendly on the 23rd of March at 7:45 p.m. away against Netherlands.
Hey Google, when will season 3 of Stranger Things come out?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet.
Alexa, when will season 3 of Stranger Things come out?
Stranger Things Season 3 premieres in 2019.